Hello everybody. I'm recording this video. Sorry for taking so long. I had some problems with my camera. So now I can only do the audio. So I know you guys are sad. You guys don't get to see me. But trust me, that's better off for you. Okay. I wanted to do a recording over how to do your project. Okay. If you go into your course, you go into dashboard and go into the course that you're at. All of you guys should already know how to do this. Remember, you guys did a video at this at midpoint. And the information will be here for you, okay? What I want you to do just this semester alone is submit your topic for approval. Here it is, number 8, to submit your topic for approval. What you will be doing is a kind of like a teaching demo. You will pick a topic that we have discussed so far in this semester. Remember, it has to be something that is related to this class. You cannot pick a random topic from another class or anything like that. It has to be something we have discussed in this class. Okay? So, one thing I would recommend is maybe you open up your study guides and find a topic that you're really familiar with, that you really liked. Go through the book and find something that you really liked and pick it. Just make sure that it is very specific. Okay? Like it says here in the instructions, do not pick nonverbal communication because there's 7 of them. But if you pick one of the 7, then that'll work. Do not pick gestures because there's 5 gestures. Pick one of the 5 and then that'll work. Gender roles. There's 2 of them. There's male or female. Pick female gender roles in Africa or whatever. Something like that. Just make it very specific. Okay? Then what you need to do is find 4 visual examples of that topic. What you'll be doing is creating a presentation using PowerPoint and you will be teaching us that topic. Okay? So once you've submitted for approval, remember the faster you do this, the faster you can get it approved and you can turn it in and get it out of the way. So once you're done, pick it. Let's say you pick something like, listening styles. I know that's too broad. I'm not picking a specific one, but remember we did that Sheldon and Amy exercise. That's why I picked that one because I'm going to use that as an example. Okay, so go to PowerPoint. If any of you have never used PowerPoint, please contact the tutoring center. They will be able to help you with this, okay? If you have used PowerPoint, then please just continue. What you will need to have is 6 slides. Remember, all of you were supposed to download Microsoft Office at the beginning of the semester because you have it for free. If you did not do that, I suggest you do that immediately and get this. I will not accept anything but PowerPoint. Okay? So, what you need to do is create 6 slides. Of course, the first one will be your title slide. Okay? So, you can title your project anything you want to. And then down here, it's by Simon or whoever, okay? Your second slide should be the topic, information. So this is where I would put, listening styles. And then I would explain what is listening styles. Think of it as the who, what, when, where, and why, and how. Explain all of that. Who does this? Why is it important? When is it important? What is it about it that is important? Who does it? Go on specific, and the more specific your topic is, of course, the easier this will be. But just give us the who, the what, the when, the where, the why, and the how. Okay? Then your first slide should be your visual number 1. Your first example. This one would be visual 2, visual 3. Oops, I put this one down here. I can simply put it to the front. This one will go back down here. This one will be visual example 4. Okay, so that's why I say you need 6 slides. Put each visual on one. Now for the visual, they can be a movie. They can be from a commercial. They can be a picture. They can be a meme, a meme. It could be a billboard. It could be anything that is visual, anything that we can see. But it has to explain your topic. Okay, so what you would do is go to Visual 1. Up here at the top, you see how it has like File, Home, Insert, Design. If you click on Design, this is where you can pick a background for your slides. You do not have to get very fancy with these. Just make sure that I can see the visual on there, okay? You can see here I clicked on that and it gives me all of these little designs here. Just pick one. You can see how it adds it to all your slides. Again, like I said, just don't get crazy. Just make them as simple as possible. I'm not going to be grading you on your PowerPoint knowledge and skill. I'm going to be grading you on the content and the information. So you don't have to get crazy with these at all. Just, make it as simple as possible. Okay? You go to Insert up here at this tab. At the very end, you'll see what's called Media. This is where you will be inserting your pictures and stuff like that and videos, or I suggest you get it from YouTube if it's a video. I went to video over here. This is the Sheldon video you guys all saw. When you go here to get the video, please click on share. Please do not use the link up here. Use this share option. The reason why is because if your example doesn't start until like 20 seconds into the video, you can get it programmed to start at that point. Okay? So all you have to do is move wherever you want it to start at. So if I wanted it to start at the 22nd, you see right there it says 20 seconds. Share, and see there it says start at 0:20. I just click that. It adds it on there. Copy it. Come back over here, go to video, online video, enter the URL. So you just copy it, paste it in, hit insert. My computer's slow today, so we have patience. And then there's the video. Now, of course, you want to move your slides to where they don't block each other like mine blocking the video. This down here, you can probably just delete it off. You're going to have to click on it and hit delete. That'll get rid of it. Make the video, large enough to be visually seen. That should be visual. Maybe center it so that's why it's more centered. So just play around with it. Make sure that it fits appropriately and everything like that, okay? Now what you need to do is do a video recording of your voice to explain why is this video as an example. So you do this the same way. You go to Insert. This time you do audio. Do not do a video. If you record your face, this will make the file too large. It'll take forever to upload into Canvas. So this is why I'm asking only do an audio recording. So click on audio and it says record audio. You get this little record sound box. You see how there's a record? Now I would do this, but I can't because I'm using the microphone for this program to make this video, so it's not going to work for me. But all you do is hit record. Record what you have to say. Please do not wing it. Please make sure you have an idea or have it written out, a script of what you want to say. Don't just make it up on the spot. If you're making it up on the spot, you're going to have a lot of because you're trying to think on the spot. Don't do that. Make sure you have it written out. Once you're done, you just hit stop. You can listen to it and make sure you sound okay. Once you're done, you just hit OK, and then you will get kind of like this little symbol here, a sideways triangle right here. Just position it under the picture. So that way, when I get to this point, I can hit play. It'll automatically play for me, and then I can hear your instructions. Okay, please do not type them out. Please do a recording. Again, all of you should have access to a microphone. If you have access to a laptop and stuff like that, you have access to this. Okay, Remember, this is the future of communications. As you can see, we're doing classes by Zoom. We're doing classes online. You guys will end up eventually doing presentations online like this in the future. So this is an assignment to get you prepared for that for the future. Okay? So do your recording, just program it and then move it like you did the picture and just put it down here somewhere and then that way it'll play for me. Do this for all four of your visuals. Now let's say you have a video that has two examples. Just copy it and paste it in here and call it visual 1, visual 2, and then just do the timer to where it starts. Now if you cannot do the timer, if you cannot work it out, then just type up a little message that says start video at minute 122. That'll let me know where to go in the video. So if you don't use YouTube or if it doesn't give you the option of fast forwarding it, just type it down here at the bottom for me. Start video, whatever. Or you can do it in your recording. Start video at 122 and then give me the explanation of why this video counts for your listening styles. Okay, so like I said, you're doing a teaching demo. You're teaching us this topic. Okay, once you are done, save this and load it into Canvas. Okay, now coming over here, like I said, only this week is due your topic. That's the only thing due. This presentation will not be due until finals week, which is about what? I think that starts December 7th. So you guys have plenty of time to play around with this, look at it. Like I said, if you have never used PowerPoint, please contact the tutoring center. They will help you. If you have not downloaded Microsoft, remember the instructions are under Start Here. So make sure you go there. If you still can't get it to download, please contact the help desk. They will actually walk you through it and help you. Okay? Also, another thing is you can ask me. I can make an appointment and we can meet in conference and we can go over it and I can just set it out to the class. If you'd like to come, you guys can come and get all the information if you would like to do that again. Okay? Just let me know, give me enough time to set it up and we can make that happen. All right? But like I said, only this week is due your topic. Okay? The actual project is not due until finals week. All right? So if you want to, once it's approved, you can get it done. And then once that module comes open, you can just submit it and get it out of the way. All right? Are there any questions? If you guys have any at all, please email me. Let me know what's going on. I do have an example of a topic. I've asked a student from last year if I can use hers. Once I get that, I'll post it so you guys can see what it looks like and give you an example of that. But that'll be coming next module. Again, like I said, the only thing due this module is your topic for approval. All right? Okay, guys. Thank you guys for listening. I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I'll see you guys. I'll be back next week. Okay? Thanks, guys.